2025 Nissan Murano release date, what we know so far. The 2025 Nissan Murano is one of the most anticipated midsize SUVs for the upcoming year, especially with its expected redesign. Known for its sleek design, spacious interior, and advanced technology, the Murano has always been a strong contender in its segment. As Nissan gears up to launch this refreshed model, buyers and enthusiasts are eager to know more about when they can expect to see the 2025 Murano on dealership lots. Here's what we currently know about the release date, features, and availability of the new Nissan Murano. Anticipated release date, early to mid-2025. Though Nissan has yet to officially announce the exact release date for the 2025 Murano, industry insiders and analysts predict the SUV will likely hit showrooms between early and mid-2025. Typically, Nissan unveils its new models in the first half of the year, with sales commencing shortly after. Following this trend, the 2025 Murano may be revealed in the first quarter, around January or February, with sales beginning by spring or early summer. This timeline would align with Nissan's typical release schedule, ensuring that the 2025 Murano arrives just in time for the warmer months when SUV demand often increases. Potential reveal at auto shows. Given the significance of the 2025 Murano redesign, Nissan may choose to debut the vehicle at a major international auto show. Events like the Chicago Auto Show in February 2025 or the New York International Auto Show in April 2025 are prime opportunities for the company to showcase the revamped Murano to a global audience. Auto shows often serve as platforms for unveiling new models and generating buzz ahead of their official release dates. A debut at one of these high-profile events could provide an official first look at the vehicle's updated styling, interior improvements, and new tech features, along with more precise information about its release. Pre-orders and early availability. For those eager to be among the first to own the 2025 Nissan Murano, it's likely that Nissan will offer pre-order options ahead of the vehicle's official